Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Color Widgets app is installed, and you know the exact widget size you want. Next, open the app and create a new theme. Name it so you recognize its purpose. Once done, import or paste your hex color palette and set a primary and accent color. This ensures contrast and legibility. Make sure to save before placing a widget so your first instance reflects the live theme. You now refine the theme by dialing visual parameters, tweak background opacity, or add a subtle gradient to create hierarchy. Then choose fonts, pick one readable face and vary weight for emphasis. Preview at actual widget scale so small text remains legible. After that, assign colors to distinct elements like time, date, and icons so users scan information quickly. Once adjusted, use the live preview and iterate. You finish by applying the theme to a widget and placing it where users will see it. Resize and lock the layout to prevent accidental shifts. Then export or back up the theme so you can reuse or share it instantly. If things go wrong, colors shift or text is unreadable, check for device color profile differences and increase contrast or switch to web-safe hex values. Finally, test across light and dark modes to guarantee consistent appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.